This is what I call Learn Ableton. And today I'm going to talk about how to learn a specific effect known to amp. Now, if that's not what you're looking for, get on out of here. But if it is, I want to teach you in a couple of moments how to use the amplifier, which is kind of like a guitar amplifier in your settings. So let's hop on into it. I've got a guitar sample because I'm using a guitar amp, and let's hear what it sounds like without the effects turned on. Turn it off. I mean, fairly decent, right? Let's turn it up a little bit. But what if we added a little amp type? So let's get into it before we add that. So you have various amp types of a guitar sound, from clean, which is clean 60s, boosting 60s, which is like Tremelo's channel. You got a bright sound from blues. You have your rock sound, classic 45-watt amp. You got your lead, great for the heavy metal, as well as the heavy, which is specifically for the heavy metal. And then you also got the bass. Now, you also got some settings under here, your gain, turning it up and down, a couple of EQ settings to adjust like the bass, the middle, and the treble. You can look at your presence in terms of tone control around the frequencies. And then you also have, as in any Ableton plugin, you have the dry wet as well as the volume. So let's run the sample through the amplifier and see what we sound like. Give it a little boost. Let's apply the dry wet to hear how more cleaner it gets. That's a boost. How about blues? Rock. Lead. Heavy. And bass. But I think it needs something else to add on. Help us out. So we kind of experiment around. Right now I'm favoring clean, just to keep it crisp, with a little variation. Alright, so yeah, with a little bit of messing around, you can have a full track just off of the sample itself, which is a guitar sample, but as you can see, messing with the various types will give it a different sound that you're looking for. So you can incorporate this into your track, make it a full composition, and go run with it, upload it to YouTube, etc. Alright, that's all I got for now. I don't want to hold you too long. However, if you tune in next time, I'm going to pull in another effect so you can go ahead and learn Ableton the live way. Alright,